Alright, this is how you get the dogs not to hurt you when you're playing survival mode in Modern Warfare 3. All you do is you stand on a table and they will go under the table. They just go under there. So, Colton, stay up there. And when dogs come, we need to see them go under the table. So hurry. Oh God.
Do a hole in the roof?
Wait, I don't think there are dogs on this round. Oh well, but what you do is you get on a table and dogs will not touch you at all. They will go right under the table.